Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you how to extract the information you need from the PDF files. We have here 6 CVs. In my previous video I showed you a very good way to extract the information using the the AI features like image to text. Okay, to fill the Excel sheet. We have this Excel sheet. I have to fill the names, background, university, highest degree, years of experience, gender, and so on manually. However, I found out another way. I automated everything starting from coding, giving the serial numbers. I showed you how to use the code in PowerShell. If you don't know this method, you can watch my previous video. Okay, you need to give them the serial numbers manually, and then here open your Gemini using your Gmail account. I'm gonna upload files 3 by 3. Let's open CVs and select from 1 to 3, and here is the prompt. Okay, let's see. Of course, before this method, you have to fill each field here manually. So what if you have hundreds of CVs? So as you can see, we have Sarah, Noura, and May, and here in the background, university, highest degree, years of experience. Okay, and then the gender, all of them are females. Okay, the magic here is you can export to sheets. Open sheets. Wow. Also Bachelor. Okay, in this is okay. If you don't wanna get here the Bachelor or Master, you have here all, of course, it's a field. So I need the background without or just make it pure. Okay, this is what we need. Okay, yeah. So now we're gonna export again to sheets. Open sheets. So we have this beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna upload again another 3. The amazing thing here with the Gemini is it is unlimited, even if it is free. Okay, do the same, and then give me all in one table from 01 to the end. Okay, so as you can see, export to sheets. Let's open sheets. So this is the amazing thing here. No need to use image to text, no need to do different tasks. Just one task is to use Gemini, and we have here all the data I need. Of course, it is better to click on File and then download Microsoft Excel. So we have here the Excel file. So I have here the names, can copy and paste just in one click. This is pretty cool. You can control Z. There's Arial. Okay. So you can change the font, make it Arial. Like that. So we have Sarah, Noura, Mai, Huda, Reem, Dina, and the background. Let's check. The background of Sarah is commerce, and so this is Sarah, and here is business administration. So Bachelor in business administration and commerce, and from I don't need this anyway. So and from Cairo University and Bachelor and years of experience 9, and this is correct, of course. And here is Noura, Master Accounting Finance in Shams University, Accounting Finance in Shams University, Master, 10 years. Yes, 10 years, 2016. Okay, so this is pretty cool. After that, Mai, let's see Mai. Mai is Bachelor in Marketing, Alexandria, and 8 years. Of course, 8 years. This is very correct. Okay, and then Huda is Master in Human Resources Management, Hilwan. Resources Management, Hilwan, Master, 11 years. Because it's 2015, it's 11 years. This is correct. Reem, Bachelor in Civil Engineering, Mansoura. Civil Engineering, Mansoura, and Bachelor. Of course, this is correct. 2014 is 12 years. This is correct too. Let's check last. Dina. Dina is Master in Management Information System, German University in Cairo. GUC, Management Information Systems, Master, and 7 years. Okay, this is correct. So as you can see, it is very amazing to use Gemini. It is very accurate, and you can get export to sheets. No need to do what I showed in my previous video, except the coding you are using or giving the serial numbers using the Powershell. I hope this helps you, and thank you so much, and Happy New Year. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.